Welcome to Mercedes-Benz of Fremont, a premier Fletcher Jones dealership. And here's another look at one of our premium vehicles from our extensive inventory, and comes equipped with steering wheel controls, MP3 player, cruise control, anti-lock braking, tilt steering wheel, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. The Fletcher Jones Automotive Group has been credited with pioneering the revolutionary approach of treating people as honored guests, not just as customers. And that same commitment to excellence is reflected in the vehicles we sell, because only the best trade-ins and pre-owned vehicles make it through our meticulous inspection by our factory-trained master mechanics. Here at Fletcher Jones Motor Cars of Fremont, we strive to be the best of the best, and we look forward to serving you with an unrivaled car buying experience. So come visit us today and become one of our many satisfied customers. We're located at 5760 Cushing Parkway in Fremont.